So over here you can see that I have this particular content right here, and let's say I want to go ahead and translate out this content in Japanese. So I can simply go ahead and select and then copy this and then give it to Claude right here. And what I can see is translate this text to Japanese right here, just like this. And then it'll simply go ahead and translate out the text right here in Japanese right here, just like that. So you can go ahead and tell it to translate in any language, and as long as it is a major language, it will be able to translate. But this is not very different than how you would translate a web page right here in web browser. So an interesting thing that you can do is you can go ahead and translate it out in Romanized letters as well. So instead of using Japanese letters, use Romanized English letters and then translate it to Japanese. So you can say something like this and it'll go ahead and use English letters but Japanese words. So you can simply go ahead and utilize this technique as well. So you can see it says this. So here is the Romanized version followed by Japanese translation. So you can see it is Japanese word right here, just like this, but Romanized right here, just like this. And that is basically how you can go ahead and translate out contents using Claude easily. So I hope you guys learn something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe